How to delete search history on YouTube. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open the YouTube app on your device and make sure to log into your account. Now here, if you tap on the search bar, you can find all of your search history here. If you want to delete all of this, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you have opened up your settings, tap on Manage All History. Then from there, select your Google account if you have to. Now here on the history section, you can find all of your search results. If you want to delete that, tap on this delete drop down option, and from here you can choose delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. If you want to delete all of your search history, tap on delete all time. Then you want to tap on delete. And once you do that, all of your search history will be deleted. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.